go to this PC, right click on it, go to manage, then go to disk management. Okay, now you can see here the black part which is unallocated. You have to just right click on it, go to new simple volume and click on next, and you can see here E drive which is missing in my case. Okay, so just click on next. You can give your name, so I am keeping as it is. Just click on next and then finish. So my disk is now is visible. Okay, let's check it. Here my lost or hidden drive is now visible.